So today's video is going to be, we're going to have a look at these TikTok what I eat in a day obese videos. And that's basically where I specialize, because over the years I've helped hundreds of individuals shed a lot of weight, and particularly those over 200 pounds. They've had amazing results eating a fruit-based diet because they feel satisfied finally. You know, they get away from that low fiber, low carb, low water crap. And they start just feeling really satiated. You know, they get a full belly, they get energy, and it's just amazing. So that's basically where I specialize these days. And I have a lot to give in that area. I also have actual consults that I'm doing at the moment for a limited time. I'm actually offering one-on-one consults. So if you're interested in that, I can hardly talk, and been bouncing quite a bit at the moment. So if you're interested in that, you can check it out. There's a link in the description below. But let's help these individuals to overcome their, you know, the way they talk about themselves as well is very negative, and also just show them a better way, which is fruit-based, right? Okay, Frugivores, we're back on TikTok on Fat Vegana's page, okay? We have actually done a review of her videos before, but they're very popular, okay? So I would like to do another review of a couple of her videos because she says a few things that I'm definitely not in agreement with, and we are both vegan. So it's going to be an interesting angle for those of you watching. So let's get into it. Let's see what, I can't really read that properly, so we'll just play the video.
What I eat.
Oh, that is really loud. Hang on. What I eat
As a fat vegan that has no interest in being skinny.
Okay, so there you go. What I eat as a fat vegan that has no interest in being skinny. Why does it have to be about being skinny? How about being healthy? You know, that's right. That is what is important. And when you become healthier as a vegan, when you stop eating the junk, you just naturally lose weight and become slimmer. So it's not a positive message she's putting out. Okay, no one, you know, it's not all about being skinny. It's also about being healthy. That is the most important thing. That's what I'm making a point there.
Egg and cheddar bagel.
Okay, I think we need to take that music off. Hang on. Egg and cheddar bagel. Yikes. See, when she eats like this, it kind of seems like she doesn't want to be vegan. You know what I mean? Like things that, like the fake egg, the fake cheese. Hey, why am I stop? The fake cheese, the fake egg. You know what I mean? And these are highly, highly processed things. Like so many, like kind of so much experimentation goes into making these things, and you're just basically a walking experiment. It's not good. Obviously, it's better not to be having the animal hormones in your body, you know, from the cheese, the actual real cheese. It's better not to have the animal hormones and the saturated animal fat. That is a real plus. And also with the eggs. But look, don't eat this. This is not health food. This is not, you know, this is going to cause you a lot of similar issues to if you were eating the original stuff, you know, minus the hormone effect, which is good. But yeah, that's super junky, Ruthie. Oh, well, that looks a lot better. She called it sad. A sad tofu poke bowl. She got tofu in there. I mean, I'm not a huge fan of tofu. You know, I like the taste. I can eat it just like a brick, basically, you know, without anything on it. I don't mind the taste. But it's not high in carbohydrates, right? It's not a high carbohydrate food, so it's not going to really fuel you very well. It's kind of going to slow things down in your digestive system. Having the salad, yeah, that's great. I'm not seeing any fruit yet, well, except the obvious, the tomatoes there and the cucumber. Huh? I don't know what's going on. There's a cat. Peanut butter, banana, oatmeal. I mean, okay, that's not terrible, but seriously, it is a lot of peanut butter. And there's a lot of problems with peanut butter, including aflatoxin. There's like the mold issue. Okay, you got to think about this mold issue. The glyphosates, it's finished with glyphosates, this systemic herbicide, which can actually store in your body. And the whole saturated fat as well. This stuff really slows down your digestion. So that means, you know what that means? It slows you right down. So your day is just going to be, that much harder to get through. So just keep that in mind. Always go for organic and don't have that much in one go. if you're struggling with your diet and your lifestyle and trying to lose that weight and overcome binging, then I recommend my books for sure. All 3 of them is all my life's work, and you'll get a great deal, great discount if you buy them all 3 of them, and change your life forever. But if you're having trouble implementing the lifestyle and you're over 200 pounds in particular, I specialize in helping you. So if you want to consult with me a one-on-one for a limited time only, then check out a link down below and you can read about the consultation. It's going to be on Instagram, it's going to be audio voice, very intensive every day. So if you're interested, let me know and we'll see if we're a good fit, a good team to get started. Otherwise, check out the books. There's a link in the description below, and change your life today. Okay, so she's obviously out of shape. Let's call a spade here. And she is honest about that too. She calls herself fat vegana, all right? And she has all these like, fat acceptance, body positivity. Look, I've done videos on this in the past, as you know. It's not, you know what I mean? Like it's kind of this like maintaining this low standard for your life. And it's not actually positive to do that. Do you know what I mean? Your body is your temple. It is a temple that you live there, right? You only get one body, so you need to really look after it. And doing something positive by it is eating healthfully. That's positive. That's body positivity, right? And spreading that to others. Not just being like, just giving up basically and accepting disease and illness and being overweight and saying, hey, look, I'm being all positive. Nah, that's not it. That is not it. Lentil soup. She doesn't want to eat that. So she's eating like, I can see she is eating with a focus on weight loss. Because look at that. This is basically what you get in the prison sometimes. You know what I mean? Like it's not really appealing. No one who is not giving a shit basically about their weight is eating that. Well, at least she's trying with that. At least she's trying with the lentil soup. But I wish you would just be honest about it. Happy Monday. Remember, you can exist in your body without having to change it to fit societal standards. It's not about society standards. Screw society standards. It's about actually being healthy and giving a shit about your own health and not dying early and painfully, right? Even as a vegan. So we'll go to another one here. What I eat in a day as a fat person that doesn't diet or focus on weight loss.
I eat in a day as a fat person that doesn't diet or focus on weight loss.
But the thing is, okay, there's other music there. Well, you don't have to focus on weight loss. Just focus on actually being healthy, and the weight loss will just happen as a side benefit. It's just great. But you know, obviously, if you eat like that, you're gonna really struggle. This is going to be a really painful vegan, journey for you. See, the sausage cheese breakfast sandwich. So this is like plant-based, but seriously, you wouldn't know it, would you? And, extremely unhealthy. It does seem like she just wants to keep eating like, meat eaters. Had to sample the mashed potato and gravy. See, mashed potato and gravy can be okay, but unfortunately it can be really bad as well. This can be full of the vegan butters or oils and stuff like that, which are incredibly fattening, yes, but just very unhealthy for you. Stuffing, green bean casserole, mashed potatoes and gravy. A lot of beige, very, very beige. This looks like it's been fried, this thing here. Casserole, green bean casserole. Yeah, there's not a lot of life going on here. Where's the fruit, Where is the vibrant colours? Oh, the little kitten. Costco apple pie featuring a Costco apple pie. Okay, well, it's a very beige day. Right? Look at this. Beige. Okay, so we had beige here with some, yellow. It's basically beige as well, and a bit of brown. Beige, beige, beige. Right. So where are the vitamins? Where are the vitamins, the heat-sensitive vitamins in particular? You're missing out on those. And the oxygen, the ones that oxidize when they hit the environment. That's the great thing about fruit. It is packaged and it's all in there. It's all living. It's all ready to go into your body to be absorbed. in that tight package. You know, when you break that seal, that's when you see like the apple goes a bit brown, because the oxygen got to it, and it does destroy some vitamins that are heat sensitive and oxygen sensitive. All right, we got one more here.
Eat as a fat person, not striving for weight loss.
So that seems to be her whole hook. What I eat as a fat person, not striving for weight loss. Don't strive for weight loss. Strive for health. Strive to get around the block without puffing, or be able to play with your children. You know what I mean? Not like last long enough so you see your children grow up, and you know what I'm saying? Things that are worthy like that, not weight loss. It's good she's not focusing on weight loss, but she's using it just kind of as a way to stand out and this whole body positivity, but it isn't.
Breakfast Sammy. Chicken waffle from Aldi.
Chicken waffle from Aldi. So we're back on the beige. Chicken as in, yeah, it's obviously not chicken, it's some chemical concoction, a gluten thing. And then leftover pasta, a lot of, like, there's not even any green, not even any attempt to put any green in there. Okay. Oh, wow, there's something green. Have you noticed a theme? Like, this is kind of the first time I've seen actual colour, I think. Like, actual real, like, stand out kind of colour. Jackfruit fried chicken and failed. Well, you can do a lot better with jackfruit than that's for sure. Yeah, you should try those chicken legs drumsticks. The recipe on my page, Ruthie. Pasta, okay, green beans. I'm happy with the green beans. See, the mac and cheese, yeah, that's going to be very, very fatty, super processed. Have some baked potatoes. Come on, tell me in the comments, don't baked potatoes taste better than this crap? Honestly, 100%. Oh, wow. She had a banana blueberry smoothie at the wrong end of the day. But I'm so happy to see that. But it said PB, so there could be like tablespoons of peanut butter in there. But great to see some antioxidants, some beta-carotene staring back at me. She's trying in that one. That's good. All right. So, yeah, you can see the problem here. There's a lot of beige. There's not enough focus on actually just getting healthy and being like a healthy example for your children, say, or for others, not giving up and just going, oh, blah, I don't care anymore. We did get some vegetable there, some fruit veg. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's my definition of body positivity. All right. Love yourself by actually nourishing yourself correctly. All right, don't forget to go fruit yourself, and I'll talk to you soon.